Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to filter unknown messages on iPhone. The first thing you need to do is open the messaging app. Then you are going to select filters in the top left hand corner. After doing that, you will see 4 headings. First, you'll see all messages. Then you will see known senders, meaning those are persons that contacts are saved in your iPhone. Then you will see unknown senders, and you will also see unread messages. To filter unknown messages, you will simply tap on unknown senders. And from here you will see all of the messages that you have received from persons that their numbers are not saved in your iPhone. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.